Here's a microphone. It is from Boya and it's BY-MM1 universal cardioid microphone, compatible with phones, tablets, laptop cameras, video cameras. Okay, the box looks like this. Cardioid microphone, compatible with smartphone, tablets, compact, lightweight, directional mic, so it picks up the sound mostly from the front, but not only. Rugged metal construction, so it's not plastic. It doesn't need a battery, you just plug it in into the device. And it has a fur, so-called DeadCat, a live cat, windshield protection. Okay, some technical data. It has a 3.5mm jack, tip ring sleeve and tip ring sleeve connector. The 4 elements, tip ring sleeve, those are for smartphones especially. And it weighs 86 grams. Okay, that's the box itself. By the way, I received a lot of coffee and things like that with this microphone. I'm not sure why. Starbucks devices included. There's the alive cat, dead cat. Some papers. And that's it. What's that? Warranty policy. Shenzhen. More Chinese. Boya universal cardioid microphone BY-MM1. There's the big fur, aluminium body, the tip ring sleeve connector 3.5mm, you can remove it. That red is a flexible connector to that element, whatever. Specifications if you want to read them. The parts of the microphone. It is a spiral. You can attach that to the hot shoe of the camera. By the way, I will use the A6300 Sony mirrorless camera, and I have to insert it theoretically here. Just pull this thing out like so, and it should enter there. So let's take a look. Microphone, yes, I have to insert it in this case here. Just pull out that one, and the red one is the microphone input. Micro HDMI and micro USB, something like that. Frequency response, so it's picking up the sound mostly from the front, but not only, and the same thing in other languages. So here's the furry thing. It has some weight. Yes, the microphone is inside. What is that? Boya. Furry thing. That's the mic. What? It has some rubber. Something is holding it. Yes, it has a rubber dose. So that's the microphone. It's metal, aluminium. Okay, that's the plug. Boya BY-MM1. Okay, here we have a metal mesh. No, it's not coming off, it's one piece. Nowhere. Not even that one. Okay. The dead cat is dead. Let's see what else we have here. That's from the camera. That's a fake leather pouch thing with Boya text on it. It's pretty soft. Thing which I hope it will be compatible with this thing. Loosen it, and yes, it is compatible. You can rotate it at any angle, I guess. Yes, and it enters, and you just tighten that. Oh wait, not any angle. This is not moving, although it has a screw. So remove it, rotate it, and now secure it. So this one, it's a little bit flexible, not too much. Can you, I mean, I have to put it here. It's pretty stiff. We have a tip ring sleeve, 3 to 3. So that's for the smartphone. This is at 90 degrees, that is also at 90. We plug in this one here, like so, and that one there. And let's see what will happen. So, power on the camera. We have to go to the menu somewhere. First icon, and I think 8 page. Audio recording level. Yes. So that's the maximum, 31. Left and right reduces the mic sensitivity. Let's just leave it there. Now if I start recording. So this is a recording using the internal microphone. So I am using the internal microphones of the Sony A6300 camera. Now I have to stop it. I stopped it. I insert the other microphone. And this recording is done with the Boya BY-MM1 microphone. Okay, so that's without the fur. Now let's put the fur on it. It's not too easy. So that is a test with and without fur on the mic. And it looks like this. Cute camera with a big furry thing on top of it. Let's stop it. And that's it. So this is not really getting in the way. It's not coming this way. The door has to stay open. You don't have a choice. You can still access the lens. And that's it. Boya BY-MM1 quality certificate qualified by Boya to be Boya. Pouch thing, cable thing.